Here we have a 2012 Hyundai Sonata, four-door sedan, one owner, previous government vehicle. Aluminum wheels, good tires, very well maintained, 37,000 miles. Clean Carfax report, factory bumper-to-bumper warranty expiring this July of 2018, or 60,000 miles. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, gray cloth interior. Bluetooth, CD player, heat and air conditioning, your cruise control, steering wheel stereo controls, hands-free Bluetooth, driver information center, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, automatic transmission, power and auxiliary inputs, side impact and side curtain airbags. Nice roomy back seat. Back seats fold down flat. A nice big trunk. Now you can see pictures and pricing information on our website, hometownwausau.com. We offer easy and money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. We're up until 6 o'clock all week, until 2 o'clock on Saturday. Thanks for watching.